I just wanted to come on here and show you something very quickly. I know that I have been getting a lot of questions on how do you find post-construction and janitorial contracts. Yesterday, I did a live on TikTok that I will edit today and I will share with you guys sometime maybe tonight or tomorrow. Basically, just explaining the reason why I'm getting a lot of these requests is because janitorial and post-construction is kind of one of the ways that you can enter into construction where you don't need a trade license. This that I'm going to show you is you can apply it for any trade that you're in, but I just wanted to show you guys how easy it is. So when we are talking about janitorial, when we're talking about construction, one of the most important things to keep in mind is that any construction bid, it can be private or government, you're going to find it online. And many times they're behind paid walls like Bidding, Connected, Plan, Hub, Housing Authority. I mean, we have a lot of them. But if you want to there's something in AI or in ChatGPT where you can create something called a task. And a task is just when you tell ChatGPT or Claude or whoever you are using to please make sure that it does the same thing, the same action every Monday or every Tuesday or however many times you want it, and that you get a notification, whether it's an email or a pop-up on your computer. So I just want to show you this because this is pretty interesting. And it is, you're just going to allow it to do its work. I'm going to leave you there for 1 second while it does it. Okay, so here we go. It's going to tell you, doesn't show, I need to expand. It's okay. I just want you to see where it would look for. It's going to look for your city, then nearby cities, then county, and then ultimately state. And it should give you, it's giving me every week different ones. I'm not really sure what's going on right at this moment, but every week I've gotten different ones. Let me see. Let me update the zip code just to see. Okay, so here we have a few of them. There you go. Okay, so it's going to tell me that City of Coconut Creek, which is a kind of nearby city, and it is due January 15th. City of Pembroke Pines, janitorial services for police department. This one already passed. So new bid date. It's actually due today. It was due today at 2 p.m. That's pretty good actually. And then post-construction, FAU Jupiter Campus Project, final cleaning subcontractor division. This is great. This is a post-construction with the Florida Atlantic University. Very good. So yes, please expand your search and show me more bids. Also create this into a weekly task. Every Monday, do this search and send me an email with the results. And as you can see, the janitorial contracts for the police department, it must be a very, very good one because these are contracts usually that take about a year. They're like, the minimum is a year. We're going to look into it right now. Let me just show you guys. I had to mute you guys because Coco was barking at the Amazon delivery. So it's taking a little bit. I think it's because I'm sharing screen, but this is something that you can set up and it takes 2 minutes. You have to taste it. And it takes 2 minutes for you to do this. This is in the paid version of ChatGPT, and you want to make sure that it already has your information, meaning who you are, what you do, and what your goals are. And then it's going to give you amazing output. And it's, again, going to do this every Monday. If that's how you want it, it will create a task. And every Monday, it is going to send you a notification. So here, all it says is scan for janitorial. Okay. And Coconut Creek, Pembroke Pines, School Board of Broward County, custodial related solicitation, Collier County, Dania Beach, very good. And it's even going to tell you these are some of the portals that you should be checking. Every Monday, it's going to create this task, and I'm just going to allow it, nothing else. It even tells you if you want a quick win list, which means smaller contracts versus big. It gives you options of what else you can do. but I just want to show you this one. GovTribe is usually behind a paid wall. So let's try to see City of Pembroke Pines janitorial services. So City of Pembroke Pines janitorial services and bid. All I did was a Google search of this. So let me share this tab. They even posted it, I guess. Janitorial services. Okay, so I know that GovTribe is paid, but City of Pembroke Pines, let's see if they have a paid wall. OpenGov. So here, all you would have to do really is register your account. It's free to register. And then here we could see them. Let's see if they will allow us to see it without being registered. Janitorial evaluation means they are already, I'm sorry, I realize you probably weren't seeing this. Evaluation means that they received the bid and they're looking through it, right? So here it is, training. These are the four, this is a great bid actually. These are the four places that they're looking for. And the timeline is going to be a year. Yeah, here you go. So it's going to be awarded on February 10th, maybe later because it was changed a little bit. And then let's see the documents, right? So the solicitations may be found. Okay, so let's see the scope of work, general scope of work, and how, as you can see, this all has to do with mats, carpets. It's very basic janitorial. Very good bid, excellent bid actually. And this is just the insurance requirements. You're probably going to have, what is it, a million and two. That's usually the, here you go, a million and general aggregate 2 million. That is very much how it always works. And workers' comp is very low actually. It's 500, very low. You do need an umbrella of 2 million. These are not, it's probably gonna be like $2,000 overhead that this is, all of them is gonna cost you altogether. The price, conference rooms that have to be probably dusted, 260 conference rooms. No, I don't think so. I think this is not correct. Then here, restrooms, offices, hallways, okay, common areas, restrooms, coffee rooms. It just basically tells you in each place what they have. This was a great bid. I wish I would have seen it before. I would have probably bid on it myself. Very good. Here it also says that you are going to have to supply the supplies. Perfect. And then you would just, these are all the attachments, which I'm going to download all of this and I'm going to show you what happens when you put this through BidRiva. BidRiva, give me 1 second. So for now, before I show you more, I want to leave it here because what I want you to do is go and set up your task so that every Monday you get the alert of what new bids are out there. And then I'm going to film exactly what you would do with the bid document. And I'll see you guys in the next video shortly.